Never listen to those who don't believe in you. If you have a dream, just go for it. Only you and your subconscious, if you will, know what you're capable of. "15 years ago, the people closest to me didn't believe in me and said I would never become a good tattoo artist because I didn't have an art education and my formal education was in engineering. It was hurtful and sad, but I really wanted to learn tattooing. That's when I remembered Steve Jobs' quote about staying angry. I became determined and set a goal to prove those who didn't believe in me wrong. There were moments in the beginning when I couldn't get anything right. But I kept trying again and again until I started getting better results. But I didn't stop there even up until now. I'm still learning, and I don't think I've reached the peak of my abilities. I know I'm not perfect and far from being the best tattoo artist in the world. However, I'm doing everything I can and always aiming higher. I no longer want to prove anything to anyone. The only person I compete with is myself. To be better and maintain mental well-being, you should only compete with yourself and strive to be better today than you were yesterday. Avoid comparing yourself to highly skilled artists. Compare yourself only to your past self and strive to improve every day. Only then can you grow without falling into depression. Be positively aggressive, determined to reach your goal. I draw tattoos whenever possible. If your portfolio is weak, do free or low-cost tattoos to build your portfolio and enhance your skills. Don't look for your weaknesses. Find your strengths and develop them first. Due to physical limitations beyond my control, I struggle with straight lines and precise geometric shapes. I acknowledge that, so I avoid such works. Instead, I love chaotic drawing styles, watercolor splatters, and blended colors. I enjoy combining different colors and playing with shadows and contrast. I believe that's where my strength lies, and clients come to me for such tattoos. That's what matters most. In the world of tattooing, only two people decide if you're good. The client who trusted you and yourself. Your conscience should remain clear after each work. It's clear only if you're confident you gave your all. Did everything within your power for that particular piece. Don't let anyone tell you what you can't do. Haters existed and will always exist. Haters are a unique kind of people who prefer to spend their time and energy hating others instead of improving their lives and skills. So, not exactly a rational approach to life, which characterizes them as intellectually underdeveloped individuals. And who cares about the opinion of people with low intellectual development? Think about it before giving up on your dream because of a few foolish remarks or comments. Everyone started somewhere, and everyone made mistakes, even professionals. But professionals don't dwell on mistakes and don't turn them into tragedies. They analyze them and try not to repeat them next time. And never be ashamed of your skill level. No matter what your level of expertise, there will always be clients who appreciate that level and find it satisfactory. The key is to never lie in your portfolio. And not overstate your capabilities in the eyes of clients. Be sincere and open. A client for whom your skill level is low will simply look for a better tattoo artist. Remind them that not everyone wants a highly artistic tattoo. It's true that most clients want a tattoo that holds meaning for them, not just something that looks good. There are still people who are happy with tribal tattoos or simple text. And everyone has the right to be happy with whatever they desire. Just showcase your skills on your Instagram or Facebook portfolio, and you'll definitely find clients who are content and happy with your level of skill. But that doesn't mean you should always stay at the same level. Always strive to grow and improve. Unless, of course, you don't want to earn more money and have more clients. So if you dream of becoming a tattoo artist, just buy the equipment and start. There will always be friends and acquaintances who are willing to get a free tattoo from you. And believe me, they will be happy to have a tattoo from you. And when you become a well-known, high-level tattoo artist in 5 or 10 years, they will likely be proud to have been your first clients. Do you like this format of my videos? I suppose you do if you've watched up until this point and haven't died of boredom yet.